Hi everyone, I am Subba Raju Sir from Coding Master, and in this video we are going to explore how data science is transforming real-world industries and why it has become one of the most valuable skills in today's digital world. Have you ever wondered how Netflix recommends your favorite movies, how Amazon suggests products you'll likely buy, or how Google Maps finds the fastest route? The answer is data science. Data science is helping organizations turn massive amounts of data into smart business decisions. In the healthcare industry, it helps doctors detect diseases earlier and improve patient care. In banking and finance, it identifies fraud, predicts market trends, and manages financial risks. The retail industry uses data science to understand customer behavior, optimize inventory, and personalize shopping experiences. In manufacturing, companies use predictive analytics to reduce equipment failures and improve production efficiency. The transportation and logistics sector uses data science to optimize delivery routes, reduce fuel costs, and improve customer satisfaction. Even in education, data science helps create personalized learning experiences for students. As artificial intelligence continues to grow, data science has become the foundation of innovation across every industry. Companies worldwide are actively looking for skilled data scientists, making it one of the highest paying and fastest growing career paths. If you're planning to build a successful career in technology, now is the perfect time to learn data science. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Coding Master YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting topic. Thank you.